Question number 11. Two flasks P and Q contain an ideal gas. Once again, ideal gas. What do you mean by ideal gas? PV is equal to nRT can be used. Okay. And are connected with a tube of negligible volume. This volume is negligible. The volume of P is twice the volume of Q. Volume of P is equal to twice the volume of Q. Okay. P is held at a temperature of 200 Kelvin, which means what? Tp is equal to given. Q is also held at temperature of Kelvin, 400 Kelvin. This is also given. What is the mass of gas in P by mass of gas in Q? Okay, this is what we need. Mass of gas. What do we do? Let us first consider PV equal to nRT. Which parameter will correspond to mass here? There is no mass at all here, right? So what we do is mass of the gas is proportional to the number of moles. That's what we know. So therefore, use N as your subject and write N is equal to PV divided by RT. Okay. Now what I will do is, instead of mass of gas in P by mass of gas in Q, I know that M is proportional to N. So therefore, I will write NP divided by NQ. Okay. When I do this, what do I get? I will write P. First I will write PV by RT for NP. What is P for N? It is same P only. There is no change because same pressure. And volume. What is volume? What I will do is, I will just retain this as V only. And R I will write like this over here. And temperature for P is 200. Okay, multiplied by NQ. What is NQ? If it is divided, I can write R here, right? Mathematics. Okay, multiplied by temperature. What is the temperature of R? Q 400 divided by pressure remains the same. What is the volume of Q? Okay, let me write VP here, and this is VQ over here. VQ over here. Okay, so therefore now we know that VP equal to 2 times VQ. So what I will do is, I'll first cancel those. R is not required. P is also cancels over here. So VP is equal to 2 times VQ, and this 201s are 202s are good tables, which would be VP is 2 times VQ and divided by 1 multiplied by, here I had a 2 and here I had a VQ over here. VQ also goes away. So the answer is 4. Okay, so answer is 4, option C. Let us move on to the next.